It was Christmas week. Most of the world was celebrating. But somewhere in the darkness, a convoy was moving quietly. No lights, no announcements, just heavy cargo escorted like something extremely valuable. Ukraine noticed it first, and from that moment on, this shipment was already doomed. During winter, logistics usually slow down, but this convoy was different. It moved faster than normal and only at night. Ukrainian intelligence analysts detected unusual patterns, unusual routes, heavy security, and radio silence. Officially, it was described as routine Christmas cargo. Unofficially, nothing about it made sense. Ukraine activated full surveillance. Satellites followed the convoy's movement. High-altitude drones tracked it from a safe distance. Signal intercept units picked up encrypted military communications. This wasn't humanitarian aid. This wasn't civilian supply. It was military cargo, and extremely important. Ukraine could have struck immediately, but striking too early risked failure. Instead, commanders waited. They waited for the convoy to move away from air defenses. They waited for it to enter a narrow transport corridor. They waited for the moment when escape would be impossible. Patience became a weapon. As the convoy continued, it had no idea it was being hunted. Thermal imaging soon confirmed what Ukraine already suspected. Armored vehicles, ammunition containers, fuel support units. This was not just a supply run. This was a battlefield lifeline. Once the convoy entered a vulnerable zone, Ukraine's command issued final approval. The strike window opened. Precision weapons were launched. The first explosion disabled the lead vehicle. The second strike ignited stored ammunition. Within seconds, massive secondary explosions followed. Vehicles burned uncontrollably. The convoy collapsed completely. Drone footage later confirmed the result. Nothing survived. Nothing could be recovered. The Christmas cargo was gone. The impact was immediate. Frontline units lost critical supplies. Reinforcements were delayed. Logistics confidence collapsed, but the psychological damage was even greater. If supply convoys aren't safe, if timing and secrecy don't protect you, then nowhere is secure. This strike sent a clear message. Ukraine doesn't just react, it anticipates. Using intelligence, patience, and precision, Ukraine turned logistics into a weakness. Modern wars are no longer decided by firepower alone. They are decided by information. This wasn't luck, this was planning. And as long as every movement is watched, no shipment is ever truly safe. Subscribe for more real battlefield breakdowns. No hype, no propaganda, just reality.